Alright guys, what are we making today?
Lemon curd!
Lemon curd. That's right. So what are the ingredients that we need? Yeah, we need all that stuff. We need eggs and sugar and lemon,
salt, butter.
That's right. Alright, so the first thing we need is we need to get 4 egg yolks. So we're going to separate these egg yolks. We just need 4 egg yolks. The next thing we need is some lemon zest. You guys want to help me zest some lemons?
Yeah.
Alright.
I do the first one.
So we need to get a microplane right here. We're going to zest these lemons. You just want to get all the yellow off. Okay?
Okay, my turn now.
You can also do it like this. You want to see the other way to do it? You can also do it like this, and that way you can see it. You guys like that more?
Yeah.
So when you get it all, you just tap it out. So we'll save the lemons because we still need the lemon juice. We're just getting lemon zest right now. So we zested 3 lemons, and this is everything we got from zesting all 3. We also need 1/3 cup of lemon juice. So we're going to cut these 3 lemons in half now that they've been zested, and we're going to get the juice. You ready to squeeze these lemons?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah!
Somewhere. So I'm heating up some water to a boil, then we're going to lower it down to a simmer. I'm going to put all these ingredients in this bowl, and then we're going to cook it.
Yeah.
Basically, and just kind of slowly whisk it. And we're gonna add our 4 egg yolks, 2/3 cups of granulated sugar, tablespoon of lemon zest, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. In there? Can you put that in there?
Yeah.
Oh, you missed. It's okay. I'll get it. I'll get it. So we missed on the salt, but that's okay. You did help, huh? So stop eating it. Here's a wooden spoon, and then we're gonna put this bowl over that water. And you just got to keep mixing.
I was cooking pancakes at my purple house. My purple bunnies touched the stove when it was hot. Then they burned.
No.
Then they turned. Then their hand turned more purple.
Oh no. Okay, you ready to make this, to finish this?
Yeah.
All right, so we pulled the curd off the stove. It's nice and thick now, you can see. Now let's put this butter into here.
Wait. It's fine. Time to it. It needs to be time. Let's get lemon curd all over you, butter. Okay, you're all yellow. Put the more, a little more. So just hop you around and mush you. Go, push. It tastes round. It tastes like a popsicle.
What kind of popsicle?
It tastes like a yellow popsicle.
Oh yeah, yellow.
I just tasted it to see is it hot.
Is it hot?
No.
Good.
That's not hot to me.
Good.
Doesn't really taste it.
Ooh, look at that.
It's yummy.
That is yummy. All right, so that's transferred into this bowl. Will it all fit in here?
Maybe.
Maybe, huh? Let's find out.
But kind of a little bit too. It would.
Here's the most important part, Ellie. You ready?
I'm putting that on it.
You gotta put plastic wrap on it, because if you don't, it'll form a skin on the top, and we don't want a skin on the top. We're gonna put it in the fridge and let it cool off, and we're gonna put it on top of stuff.
Yeah.
And we're gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's let it get cool. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Lemon curd takes a while to cool, so do whatever you want while you wait. My kids went with the dance party. If you enjoy simple, from-scratch recipes that bring people together, hit subscribe and come gather at our table. I post new videos every week.